Refunds in YNAB are a little bit tricky, but they're absolutely doable. So here we go. Let's say I bought a video game using my credit card for $50. So let's do that. So let's say it was GameStop. I used my fun category for this and it was 50 bucks. Okay, let's go back to the budget. So you'll see 50 bucks and my credit card payment and my fund is down by 50 bucks, right? Okay. So I decided to return this item and I got a refund. So what I would do is I would enter that exact same transaction. Let's do it. All right. So we said GameStop, fun, but this time instead of outflow, you would select inflow. You're going to put 50, save, clear. And what that does, it cancels itself out. So our credit card payment is back to 0 and the 50 is back in the fund category. This works if you returned and received a refund before making a credit card payment, since technically you haven't transferred any money from your account as of yet. So it's like it never happened. But if you've already paid your credit card, here's how that would work. So let's say I bought a video game using my credit card for 50 bucks. Let's go back to Visa. Same thing. Payee would be GameStop, will be in the fun category, outflow. It's 50. Save, clear. Okay. So we're going to pay that credit card bill. So it's going to come from our account into the credit card. So we're going to record a payment here. It's going to come from our account. And this time, of course, you're going to put inflow of 50 bucks. You see our balance went down. Clear it. Okay. So I decided to return this item and I got a refund. So same thing. You're going to enter that exact same transaction. So payee would be GameStop. Fun would be inflow of 50 bucks because it's a refund. Save. Clear it. Let's go back to the budget. You'll notice our credit card payment category is red, indicating that overspending has occurred. So just like in real life, if there is a refund to a credit card, you can't get that money back into your spending account, unfortunately, but YNAB will recognize the refund by bringing that balance up to ready to assign. So all you need to do is assign that amount to your credit card payment category and it will correct itself. So we're going to do that. Okay. So you'll also notice the positive balance now, since technically we moved money from our spending account over to the credit card for a transaction that didn't really occur since we've received a refund. So YNAB is smart enough to recognize that. Okay. And that's how refunds work in YNAB.